Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are about to get this hair together. Now, this is actually a twist out. I actually put mini twists in my hair about 2 weeks ago and I untwisted them yesterday, and this is what we are working with. And as you can see, like some of the twists are like still kind of twisted, and I'm pretty sure I may or may not have gotten them all untwisted. I do have some frizz here, and definitely in this back section as well. Y'all, listen, it is time. It is time to do my hair. So we are also going to be trying out a new detangling product. And that detangling product is actually by Cecred. It is their detangling spray. I got this during Black Friday. I think the website was like 30% off site-wide. So I was like, now is the time for me to try out some of the products from their new like detox line that they have. So I definitely thought that now was a good time to try out this detangling spray. I did get some other products from the website as well, but I'll be doing a separate video basically showing you guys what I ordered for Black Friday. Still waiting on a few things, but I did receive some of my stuff already. So as soon as the others come in, I will get that video out to you guys so you guys can see the goodies that I got. But on today, we are trying to detangle this hair of mine. And basically, I am just going to just like split it down the center and break it up into 4 sections, possibly mini sections, and go ahead and get detangling. And I will also say that I do have my handy dandy steamer right here on my table, so I will be using her. She has come in clutch for these last few wash days that I've had, because y'all, the way that my schedule is set up during the end of the year is crazy. I think I really need like a clone or something, but anywho, we are going to put this part away. All right, so we are going to start with this section. And as you can see, y'all, look at this part right here. Like, this part is always like the driest and the part that gets the most frizziest. That's only because, you know, your hair rubs against your coats and your shirts and your hoods and all that. So, let's go ahead and see how this spray works. This is what the little spray bottle looks like, and you just basically push this part to the side, and I'm assuming that opens it. All right, so let's spray. Let's spray first and see. Not really fond of this little spray bottle. Oh, okay. All right. It has a really good like range. Not bad. All right, so this is me applying it without water. Ooh, and it is a very like minty smell, and I think like it basically smells like the original Cecred line to me, but I feel like it is more minty. But do y'all see? Not bad at all. I can see there's some shine as well being added. So let me just spray it in my hand so y'all can see what it looks like. It's not really that slippery. This is what it kind of turns white as you work it in. But let's just add that. and it is absorbing into my hair pretty nicely. It's making it soft, not slippery, but it's making it feel really, really soft. All right, let's split this up. Clip that away. Let's work on this dry section right here. Now, is this like your normal like detangling product? Does it have like lots of slip? No, it doesn't, but it is helping to detangle. I feel like I'm gonna have to put a little work into it. Let me spray some on my ends. Squeeze that in there. So before I do any more finger detangling, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my steamer here. And she's ready, y'all. She's ready. There she is. There she blows. I'm just gonna add some steam to it and see if that makes a difference. Oh yeah. Oh yes, y'all. Yeah. Like, definitely add steaming with this product. Like, it makes your hair feel like pillow soft. Ooh, yes. Yes, y'all. Add the steam. Now y'all can see this section is thoroughly detangled. Y'all listen, if you have a steamer, or if you're thinking about getting a steamer, this steamer in particular, just go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it, because y'all, it makes detangling a whole lot easier. So I am going to go ahead and detangle the rest of my sections, and once I'm done, I'll come back and I will give y'all my final thoughts on how I feel about this detangling spray. This detangling spray is a high slip spray that adds moisture, softness, and slip, making it detangling 2 times faster. Now, like I said, the high slip, I did not get the high slip during my detangling section, so I cannot really attest to the high slip, but it did add the moisture and the softness. It easily slides through knots and tangles, making the takedown process of protective styles easier while easing tension and helping to prevent breakage. Some of the ingredients include slippery elm and honey that provide the intense slip, according to the website, dissolving tangles faster, while phytoferment and ceramides help to strengthen and protect the hair and scalp. Plus, the wide spray pattern evenly coats the hair, easily penetrating braids to improve the manageability of the detangling process. It states that this detangling spray is for all hair types and for those coming out of a protective style. It's for pre-shampoo detangling also. It's safe for your natural hair, human hair wigs, human hair extensions, human hair weaves, human hair braiding hair, and synthetic braiding hair. It says do not use this in any adhesive bonded styles. Some of the ingredients include phytoferment. It is a balancing ferment blend that soothes, nourishes, and clears impurities from the hair and scalp, helping to support overall scalp health. It has ceramides, which is a type of liquid that helps contribute to an effective moisture barrier of the hair and scalp while maintaining the integrity of the hair structure. The honey is a natural humectant that attracts and retains moisture, providing hydration and softness while promoting a healthy, balanced hair and scalp. Also, for the PhytoSeal complex ingredient, it is known to smooth the hair cuticle and fill microcavities. All right, y'all, so I am done detangling my hair, and I will say that that was a pretty good detangling experience. Like I said earlier, no, the detangling spray is not slippery, but it definitely gets your hair moisturized and soft enough to help you get the tangles out of your hair. Now, I will say for my hair and the amount of detangling that I had to do, I feel that the steamer helped so much more. So if you have a steamer, I would recommend using it along with this product. Now, I will also say that there are other detanglers that I do prefer over this one. For example, Nature's Little Secret Papaya 2-in-1 conditioner. Like, that one is like the GOAT. That one is top tier. But if you are into Cecred products and you are wondering how this detangling spray works, it works fine. So if you wanted to try it for yourself, I say definitely give it a try. And I do also want to add that this is the amount of product that I used. So I feel like I didn't use a lot, but if I go at the rate that I did, I say I probably get 2, 3, maybe 3 or 4 more uses out of this, maybe more. And I do also want to add that this is the amount of hair that I shed during this first detangling process. I'm pretty sure that I will have more hair to shed when I go to detangle in the shower with my deep conditioner, but this is not too bad to say that my twists were in for 2 weeks. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and do my wash day and do a wash and go. So comment down below and let me know what you think of this detangling spray, if you have used it for yourself, and what your thoughts were. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.